Hey guys, looked it on Netflix earnings day. We have a lot of overstretching on the daily, on the 4-hourly, on a lot of charts. Netflix is one of the craziest one. On the daily, look how high it is. It's not that it never happens. Here you had it, here you had it, here you had it. So let's see, it's earning today, and like I said previously, it's earnings report today. Like I said previously, it's gonna be a 1-2-1-2 setup, or this is just gonna explode. But for this we will need an earnings post-market gap. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, regardless of what happens, add a third wave target box here to the upside. Okay, so we want to reach at least 136, which is slightly above all-time high if we take fips from this 1-2 setup, and then this box here stays the same. I have to adjust it a little bit. It is for if we do get a correction here now with the earnings report, maybe a sell-off. It happens. Look at the ASML. They had good earnings, but they sold off. Could happen here as well. Into these fips, and then from here work our way higher. That's why we have the fips here. So first level of support is at 103.57, then 101, 98.95, and then we have the 2 point of controls. Okay, I can remove this one, maybe don't need that. The trend line here is a first indication, maybe if we lose it, that there is a local top here. And yeah, curious to see. I expect good earnings, but again, regardless of what the earnings are, price even can drop when earnings are good. Okay, and then from here we would maybe have again a good opportunity to buy, because I had bought it like when it was going down here, then I sold it here because I expected a little bit more of a correction. Also wanted to pivot it into more risky assets. Now I want to get back into Netflix, but I didn't get this move down because I had my next paycheck, but I'm waiting. If this now gives this dip an opportunity here, I will add from here. Okay, if it also then is along with good earnings and better earnings expected for next quarters, that's for me then easy buy. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the opportunity. Okay, it might just gap to the upside, who knows. I'm just here giving you these fips and warning you again that look, it's very overstretched. It can maybe slow down here a little bit. Doesn't have to crash. Probably isn't gonna go back down here ever, or in the short time, like the next few months, years, maybe not. So unless I'm very, very wrong here, but I think it's looking really good. Okay, if you have positions from here, I wouldn't panic if it moves into these fips. Okay, I would maybe start to panic slightly if you lose a 618 here at 97, taken from this low to this high. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.